So this US dollar Japanese yen analysis for Tuesday 19th of June. Now let's just have a look at prices, where prices may likely go. So we've seen these prices head to this 110.73. We headed towards this 110.73. We've got the resistance in around 110.73, retested 10.73, had a breakdown, went into this consolidation, and we've seen a somewhat engulfing candle after this consolidation, breaking beyond the 10.20 and that 200 period average. So a pretty decisive break of the 10.20 and that 200 period moving average. Had a retest of that 10.20, and we have seen this breakdown in prices, breaking down beyond this 400 period moving average. Now we do appear to find support slightly above this 109.50. We're having a brief bullish bounce, testing the 400 period moving average. If we do a further breakdown, however, we'll look to see whether the 109.50 does hold the support, possibly looking for a move back up towards that 110.20. If we do fail to hold support at the 109.50, we're then looking for prices to head down towards that 108.80 here on the US dollar against the Japanese yen. Now, is it possible that we would trade beyond the 108.80 if we do have a particular volatile day? I suppose the very next level in the coming days that we are looking at, if we do see this continued breakdown in US dollar against Japanese yen, is a move down towards a 108.13. But for the moment, I would expect 108.80 to be the far end of the range here on today, the 19th of June. To the upside, if we do see this continuation of this brief bullish move that we are seeing, or if we do see we do find support in around that 109.50, we're looking for a move up towards that 110.20. In around that 110.20, we do have that confluence of the 200 period moving average. Could potentially act as resistance along with as well as the 110.20. So we could see resistance approaching from beneath on the US dollar against Japanese yen at that 110.20 level. Possibly a move back down to the 109.50, but if we do successfully break from the 110.20, we're looking for a retest of that 10.73. What we'll do now is have a brief look here at the daily charts. The price have been developing on the US dollar against Japanese yen. Get scale on here correct, and as we can see here, we've had this high in around 11.40. Had this move all the way back down to the 108.13, perfect test. Brief pullback from that 110.20 with that confluence of 200 period moving average on the daily chart. Had a break from there, had price head all the way up towards this 10.73. Weren't able to traded above the 10.73, but we're able to have a test of that 111, and we do appear to be putting in a bit of an engulfing candle at the moment here on the US dollar against the Japanese yen. So while we still remain in an uptrend despite the pullbacks, this very strong bearish candle at the moment possibly suggests there is room for a retracement here to the downside. If we do see a deep retracement, the level of most significance, I suppose I would say, is 108.80. Previously held support, therefore having this bullish move, and it's 108.13 again. It was after we showed this very sharp pullback, we did find support in around that 108.13. So we looked at these key levels, especially from a daily chart perspective on the US dollar against Japanese yen. And with that said, that wraps up the US dollar Japanese yen analysis. Thanks for watching.